Hi everyone, it's Shawnice from Beauty Mist Studio with an underarm wax video. Here are all of the products used, so let's begin. I always start off by cleansing the skin and removing any deodorant, followed by applying powder and absorbing it into the skin. To prevent ingrown hair and/or hair breakage, I apply my wax in half. Not to mention, it's less painful. I wax for efficiency, not speed. Once pulling the strip off, I suppress the skin, then remove the excess wax. And on the other half of the underarm, I repeat the same steps. I love this wax. It's so creamy, but jelly-like, and grabs all of the hairs. This final strip will get any stray hair and wax residue. Since there isn't much hair, it's perfectly okay to apply a large strip this go round. There is very little cleanup with this wax. My goal is to provide a smooth and clean service. This service is finished up with Nakash's Post-Wax Refreshing Gel to reduce redness and revitalize the skin. And there you have it, a fresh Nakash wax.